Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. My dear students, today we will continue our study of the chapter The Fun They Had, which is taken from your book Behave. Dear students, today we will study from para number 6 to 10 of this chapter. Dear students, para number 7 starts with the point that Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes because he knew something that Margie was not aware of. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago the school was not the kind they had. Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said that centuries ago the school were not like the ones they had. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. She looked over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said that perhaps they had a teacher. Tommy is referring to a machine teacher as a regular teacher because that is what they are used to. That is the teacher they had, a machine. He said that it was not the machine, it was a man, human being, who taught them. Margie could not believe that a man was a teacher because she had always seen a machine doing that. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, and then asked them different questions based on it, just like their mechanical teacher did. Dear students, para number 7, Margie said that a man teacher is not as smart, means intelligent, as the machine teacher. Tommy asks Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is as knowledgeable as the machine. He compares the machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as his machine teacher. Tommy could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as a mechanical teacher did. Margie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. Tommy found it very funny when Margie said that she did not want a strange man to come to her house to teach her. He said that teachers did not come to the students' house to teach them. They had a special building, a school, and the students went to the school to study. Margie was astonished and asked that did all the children learn the same thing? Tommy said that all the children of the same age studied the same thing. In para number 8, Margie refers to a machine teacher. She says that her mother told her that the machine had tuned to the level of each boy or a girl who was studying from it. So each child had to be taught separately depending on their level. Tommy replied that in the past did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that she need not read the book. Margie is interested in the book. Margie was eager to know. She wanted to know what kind of schools there in the past, as she felt that they were fun. Margie had read just half of the book when her mother called her, as it was time for her to attend her virtual school. Margie's school was in the next room, next to her bedroom. She said to her mother that not yet, she did not want to go to school. Margie's mother said to Tommy that it was time for him to go to school too. Margie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after school. Tommy tried to ignore her and said that maybe she could read it. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. He placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home. Margie reached her school. It was a room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Margie. It was on and it was waiting for her to begin teaching her. Margie studied all the days except Saturdays and Sundays at the same time from this mechanical teacher. Margie's mother was very particular. She had told Margie that she would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. Margie sat in front of the machine similar to a computer and the machine was turned on. It said that the lesson of the day was in arithmetic and the topic was addition of proper fractions. Further, it instructed her to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot for inserting the homework. Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like a machine. There is no fun in her classroom. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. Margie is thinking of the story told to her by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this machine, she is reminded of that life. When Margie comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed and shouted in the school, she gets curious about it and wants to go to school. Dear students, at this point the writer wants us to realize the importance of schools in our life. Children sometimes get bored and fed up of going to school, but if you don't have a school, you would not get to meet friends. Your life will be very dull and boring. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about. And the teacher was pupil. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1/2 and 1/4. As Margie feels that school is so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework and they can discuss it, take help and talk about it also. So all the students become friends and study in a fun way. She found it very strange that the teachers were not machines but they were human beings. As Margie had inserted her homework, the machine started with the lesson. There was no pause, no time for fun, no time for chatting and no time for interacting with friends. The author ends the story with the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. The fun the students had when they went to real schools. Margie is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to school and enjoyed studies. Dear students, at last it's question answer session. So be ready to answer some of the questions. Okay? I hope it will be very interesting for all of you. Your first question is on your screen, my dear students, and the question is, who was teaching the students in the modern era? Options are a teacher, an electronic book, third book is stored in a computer, and fourth option is all of the above. And my dear students, the right option is all of the above. Now second question, what is a tele book? Options are an e-book, an electronic book, third book is stored in a computer, and fourth all of the above. Again the answer is all of the above. Next question is, my dear students, where was Margie's school? Options are in a village, in a city outskirt, in her own house, in a room in her house where a computer was set up. And the answer is, my dear students, in a room in her own house where a computer was set up. Now fourth question, my dear students, who was the regular teacher who taught the lessons? And the options are human teacher, computer teacher, mechanical robot teacher who teaches Margie and Tommy, and none of the above. And the right option is, my dear students, mechanical robot teacher who teaches Margie and Tommy. My dear students, at last it's classwork time. You have to answer 5 short answer type question in your classwork. Okay, now I request all of you to answer these questions. Okay, at last I hope all of you would have enjoyed the session and understood the content properly. I also hope to meet with all of you very soon. Till then, take care of you, and thanks to all of you, my dear students.